Well, hello, friends. Today I have something different for you. I was tasked with building a Hobbit door for a wood wall to the secret garden. And so I thought, how in the world am I going to make a circle opening that we could stack wood around? And so I went back to a previous experience where I needed to make a circle out of flats when I made the disc golf basket. I had a 16-sided object, and so I just increased the size, did a simple ratio of cross multiply and divide, and that showed me how long each piece needed to be. Instead of 5 1/8, I went to 7 5/8. And so I welded 2 rings, and then I welded them together, and then I welded bases on the bottom so they wouldn't tip or roll, and this is how I did it.